Hello, students. I'll start with the next chapter of grammar today. I hope you have gone through the first 6 chapters, have understood them, and done the exercises. This chapter tells us about personal pronouns. Now, like nouns have number, gender, and case, personal pronouns also have number, gender, and case. On the first page, you can see the number. Now, if you can remember this yellow chart, when the personal pronoun is used in the first person, that means जब मेरी बात हो रही है. Singular sense, when it is about me, only one person, then you can use I, me, mine. And when it is about me with other people, there are many other people with me, then you can use we, us, yours. In the same way, when you're talking about the second person, if only one person is there, then you, yours will be used. And if on the place of second person there are many people, then you or yours. Now, in this case, when you're talking about the second person and there are many people or single people or one person, the same thing will be used, because in singular also it is you, yours, and in plural also it is you, yours. And the third person, that is when we are talking about some other person. मेरी बात नहीं हो रही है, मेरे सामने वाले की बात नहीं हो रही है, किसी और की बात हो रही है, then we will use the words which have been given in singular sense and in plural sense. Now, when we come to gender, like nouns, there are 4 genders in pronouns also: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Here also, on top of page number 36, it has been given how you can use the 4 genders, which words you can use in the 4 genders when you are talking about pronouns. And then we come to case. Like in nouns, there are 3 cases: nominative, objective, and possessive case. In pronouns also there are 3 cases. If you come to the last block on page number 36, it contains examples as to how you can use various cases. Now, when you're talking about pronouns, the first case, nominative case. Take the first example. He has lunch at 1 p.m. To know the answer of nominative case, you will ask the questions in the following ways. Like first question, who has lunch at 1 p.m.? He. So words like he, she, we, they will show the nominative case. Then you can further read the questions and know how to find the type of case. Objective case कैसे ढूंढेंगे? You will ask the questions 3 and 4. Words like me, his, her will come in objective case. And mine and yours kind of words will come in possessive case. Let's come to the exercises now. The first exercise has been done for you. On the next page, you have to find the pronouns and tell which number and gender they belong to. Now, number has been given in circles. Like in the first sentence, if you see, I have put a circle with S. That means यहाँ सिंगुलर की बात हो रही है. जहाँ पर सर्कल में P है वहाँ प्लूरल की बात हो रही है. And then you also have to give the gender. In the first one, I have done the first one for you. When you are talking about she, it is a feminine gender. Third one, I have marked the number but I have not marked the gender. So this exercise I have not done completely for you. I have marked the number but I have not marked the gender everywhere. Now, third, male gender. Fourth, you cannot find the gender. And then fifth also, male gender is there. So wherever you find, जहाँ पर आपको लगे कि यहाँ पर नंबर नहीं लिखा है या जेंडर नहीं लिखा है, वो खुद आपको फिल करना होगा. Third exercise has been done for you. Likewise the fourth, fifth, sixth exercise. Most of them have been done for you. Now when we come to the last exercise, that is the eighth one, you have to change these sentences into plural. यहाँ पर एक person की बात हो रही है, आपको change करना है plural में. Like if you take the 10th sentence, I blame myself for the loss of my hairband. इसको plural में कैसे करेंगे? We blame ourselves for the loss of our hairband. I की जगह we हो जाएगा, my की जगह R हो जाएगा. Some I have done for you, rest you have to do yourself. Now we come to the next chapter of adjectives. Adjective, as you know, is a describing word. Now you can see position of adjectives. They occur before nouns, verbs, and they can come after adverb also. You need to go through the examples to understand the position. Then there are kinds of adjectives. They are very simple to understand. You just need to read every kind of adjective that has been given. Adjective of quality, quantity, number, then demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, and proper adjective. They are simple to understand. Just go through all the kinds of adjectives and read through their examples. And then they have in the end the order of adjectives. This, if you can remember, will be best because it will help you in writing the sentence in forming the sentences which have adjectives. Now we come to the exercises. The first has been done for you. Second exercise, you have to find out the kind of adjective. I have done 2 for you. Rest you will find the words which are adjective by yourself. You will underline the word when you are doing in your copy, and then you will write in front of the sentence what is the underlined word kind of adjective. ठीक है. थर्ड वाला जो है उसमें ट्रू और फॉल्स आपको फिल करना है. फॉर दैट ऑल्सो यू विल नीड द हेल्प ऑफ द चैप्टर. फोर्थ, the type of adjective has been given to you. You have to fill accordingly. Fifth exercise you will leave out. जिस पे मैंने क्रॉस लगाया है ये एक्सरसाइज आप नहीं करेंगे. सिक्स्थ एक्सरसाइज में आपको 4-5 वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं. आपको उन्हीं वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके ब्लैंक्स फिल करने हैं. And then in the seventh exercise, you can fill adjectives according to your choice, but remember they should be adjectives. You can pick up words from the chapter which have been given. All these exercises will be done in your grammar copy. That is all.